Alright guys, so after you download the files from the link below, let's start bringing them into the scene. So from the right view, let's go up to this insert icon above. Now select insert from my computer. Now go to where you stored the files and select the right reference image and hit open. Now select the 2D plane to display the reference on and hit OK. Let's just go to the front view and let's repeat these steps. Now let's slide this reference image over by 0.014 millimeters. And keep that in mind, guys, I'm using millimeters. And also, guys, if you weren't aware, you can just go to the canvas drop down and you can toggle on or off the reference images as needed.